no matter what is your income, kahit na 100 piso ang income mo o 100,000 ang income mo, it doesn't matter. You have to learn to have the discipline to save and invest it. Hindi lang save kasi if you save money, always save lang sa bangko, mababa ang interest ngayon. So find ways to invest somewhere also and make the future better. Not only invest in money, not only save money, but please do not forget to invest in yourself, yung education mo, sa mind mo, sa physical health mo. When you buy a house, go physically. Go to that area once, twice, 3 times. Take a look at the condo. Puntahan mo yung condo. Punta ka sa gym nila. Punta ka isa sa condo. Tingnan mo yung management. Okay ba yung management? Baka maganda yung condo. Nice location. Nice architecture. But maybe lousy management. But you have a lousy management, okay lang if you are renting it. But if you want to buy it and the management is lousy, if there are problems in the condo, nagli-leak or something, you cannot correct it. Maybe pag bad reputation ang management of the condo, sometimes it will affect the future value of your condo for future resale. Another more reason after you remember, Neil, just before the pandemic, pumutok-putok yung Taal volcano. That is another consideration. Nagulat ako. Many people in the past, pag sinabi invest, doon tayo sa Tagaytay, doon tayo sa Wah, nagulat ako. During the time when Taal volcano started threatening to explode and all that, lahat ng houses in that area nasira yata or pero still some people still enjoy that area. May kilala akong well-known people, they like to have a nice house, talagang doon na nakatira kasi the whole year round the weather is cooler, climate, kaya maraming factors to consider, plus and minus. Study well.
Grabe.
Go there. At saka isa pa, when you buy a house, go physically. Go to that area once, twice, 3 times. Take a look at the condo. Puntahan mo yung condo. Punta ka sa gym nila. Punta ka isa sa condo. Tingnan mo yung management. Okay ba yung management? Baka maganda yung condo. Nice location. Nice architecture. But maybe lousy management. But you have a lousy management, okay lang if you are renting it. But if you want to buy it and the management is lousy, if there are problems in the condo, nagli-leak or something, you cannot correct it. Maybe pag bad reputation ang management of the condo, sometimes it will affect the future value of your condo for future resale. That is also a very important consideration. Check the management as around the reputation of that condo's management, association management. Some people in some subdivisions, in some townhouse community, in some condo community, some of the management is lousy management, dishonest management, lazy management. They just get your money and don't improve services. Sometimes that is a cause for worry also.
Daming tips noon na nagno-notes din ako. Thank you for sharing that. And we've discussed a lot and oozing ka talaga ng wisdom and knowledge, and I can see in you that you really have a passion in helping and educating. Kumbaga parang nag-enjoy lang tayo dito pero 'di ba? Pero parang ang daming wisdom.
Maganda mga salamat kasi magaling ka magtanong.
Ay, thank you. Ganado din ako kasi dami ko rin natututunan, especially for those who are watching. Mas marami rin silang matututunan. Siguro as we recap na, as we close, any parting message sa ating mga kababayan. So, pwedeng siguro for two groups of people. Yung una, yung sa mga kababayan natin na nagtatrabaho.
Yes.
Employee sila. And then, second group of people, message sa mga business people or gustong mag-business or nalugi sa business. So, two groups of people. Any final message as we wrap this up?
Thank you, Neil. The first sa mga employees who are working, uh, always believe that the future will be better for you and your family. And the best way to make it guaranteed ang future mo is safe and better is to find ways to save. No matter what is your income, kahit na 100 piso ang income mo o 100,000 ang income mo, it doesn't matter. You have to learn to have the discipline to save and invest it. Hindi lang save kasi if you save money, always save lang sa bangko, mababa ang interest ngayon. So find ways to invest somewhere also and make the future better. Not only invest in money, not only save money, but please do not forget to invest in yourself. Yung education mo, sa mind mo, sa physical health mo, even our spiritual health. Kahit na hindi ako religious person, we have to be close to God and do not forget there is a God in the universe. The future is going to be better whether we have typhoons or good or bad government, doesn't matter. We have to make the future ourselves good. Nasa kamay natin ang kinabukasan natin and also nasa Diyos. And to people who are in their own business, whether doing well or not doing well, business is an exciting vocation. It's not only exciting in the sense na hindi boring. It is a never-ending challenge of creativity. And in the Philippines, you are very important, the entrepreneur, whether micro-entrepreneurs, small or medium, even the big ones. The country will become rich if we have more entrepreneurs, if we have more producers, if we have more innovators. Huwag tayo maging bansa na puro import lang. Huwag tayo maging bansa na puro exporting the best people lang. And to the employees who are in the Philippines, huwag kayo lahat ng magagaling na tao maubos sa Pilipinas. Sana may matira din dito na will make the most of the Philippine situation and enrich the country by enriching yourself. And maganda yung ginagawa ni Marvin sa ni Neil Guillermo by learning financial literacy and trying to be economically independent individually. You are not only helping yourself, you are not only making your family future better. That is the best way also to make the Philippine economy better. The Philippine economy will be better if all of us are financially secure, if we are economically dynamic. Kaya whether business people or employee, kailangan tayo magtipid, mag-invest, maging creative, and never-ending learning tayo and never-ending faith sa God and to ourselves din. Dapat may faith in ourselves din. Huwag tayong negative thinking. Yun pa isa that I would encourage to everyone. Kahit na masama ang news, kahit na sobrang negative minsan ang mga news, huwag tayong negative thinking. We should be positive in outlook. We should be optimistic and always plan for a better future.
Thank you. Grabe. Na
Thank
parang
you.
lumipas na yung oras, no?
Oo nga,
ang
bilip ako
saya
sa'yo
lang.
eh. Magaling ka magtanong. Nakakatuwa ka magtanong.
Thank you. Like what you said, I had a show sa isang company rin, pero hindi lang nagtutuloy yung episode. Kaya siguro baka carry over yung mga skills dito. But thank you so
Talented
much.
Ka.
Ay, salamat. Hopefully, we'll have more conversations in the future. So,
Thank you, Neil.
looking forward.
Anytime. Uy, message
Siguro,
mo sa akin number mo. Text mo sa akin.
Sige,
Mayroon ko number mo. Nasa Viber.
Sige.
Yes.
Let's keep
I
in
will
touch.
save.
Siguro before we go, how can people reach out to you if they want to learn from you
Yes.
regarding real estate? Tapos lagay natin sa link below. Pero
Yes.
please say it here para marinig ng
Yes.
mga nanonood.
First of all, thank you very much, Neil Guillermo, for inviting me and for your very interesting and thought-provoking questions. and insights. Ang galing mo magtanong. Kasi kung hindi ka nagtatanong, di ko na maisip some of the things na I should remember and share to people. Thank you for doing this show. And what you're doing is very good for the country. More people should be doing things like you, helping people, educating, and asking questions. For people who want to ask and communicate with me anytime, number one, you can always paki-add ako sa Facebook. May Facebook page ako, Wilson Lee Flores sa Facebook. Andun din ako sa Instagram. Paki-follow ako sa Instagram. Paki-follow din ako sa TikTok, Wilson Lee Flores. Bago lang yung TikTok ko, wala akong sayaw-sayaw dyan sa kanta. Nagsasalita lang ako minsan-minsan TikTok. Maghanap din ako ng interesting entertainment dyan. And also, mayroon din akong YouTube na hindi pa masyadong active pero I will put more things inside Wilson Lee Flores. Ang TikTok ko is I am Wilson Lee Flores sa TikTok account ko. And dun sa Facebook, and anybody could message me anywhere. I answer all. Hindi ako nang babola. I answer all emails. Ang email address ko is very easy to remember. It's the title of my Philippine Star column, Will Soon Flourish. 3 English words siya na ibig sabihin, malapit na mag-flourish. Malapit na umunlad or maging masagana or maging matagumpay. Will soon flourish. 3 words siya na English na nagra-rhyme with Wilson Lee Flores. Isa pa, kung gusto niyo ng masarap na tinapay or pandesal or sandwich or cakes, I'm often always in Kamuning Bakery Cafe in Barangay Kamuning, Quezon City. Pag na-renovate ko na yan kasi nasunugan yung kapitbahay namin before the pandemic, after I renovate it, doon na ako mag-office sa second floor every day. Anybody could just walk in and say hi to me there. I'm often there eating or watching over the stuff. Mahilig ako pumasyal doon. Malapit lang ang office ko doon kaya I'm always often there. Thank you again, Neil, and to everyone.
Siguro para at least matakam yung mga tao, ano yung best seller, yung favorite mo doon sa bake shop mo?
Yes. Of course, ang favorite namin since 1939, nabili ko lang to as a real estate investment from the family ng Javier family. Famous ang Kamuning Bakery for our authentic, classic, traditional pandesal. Meron din kaming pandesuelo, kasing laki ng feast, ng clenched fish, kasing laki ng kamao siya, malutong sa labas, crispy, inside hindi matigas, soft and dense, malambot na siksik na pandesal na malaki, pandesuelo, and of course we have popular cakes in Kamuning Bakery. Our pies are very popular. The most popular among them, strawberry, blueberry cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake, mga traditional Filipino and Spanish cakes and breads, Brazo de Mercedes, Ensaimada. We also have French breads during the pandemic. Nagdagdag kami ng mga baguette. Mayroon din kami sourdough breads. All kinds of breads meron kami. Welcome for people to eat also. Kung may time ka, Neil, meron din kami meals. We serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner meals, soup. During the pandemic, we also started selling a lot of pancit bilao, spaghetti, palabok, chicken sisig, pancit, all kinds, with free pandesal for every order. Welcome to it.
So, ang galing,
also.
Especially for those na nag-o-office na may mga party, di ba?
Pwedeng pwede home delivery and office delivery. Nasa food panda rin kami and grab food.
Nice. That's good. So, natatakam na kami, but more importantly, nabusog ng aming isip at natuto kami sa'yo. So, thank you, Wilson. See you again soon. So, guys, thank you so much for joining us. Again,
Neil.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, Wilson.
Thank you very much, Neil. Kain tayo one time.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.